Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. News: Bitcoin mining pools will have less power with this upgrade. Stratum v2 aims to change a key feature in the way Bitcoin mining is done, making it much harder for mining pools to collectively censor transactions. Are Bitcoin mining pools too powerful? Do they make Bitcoin too centralized? Stratum v2, an overhaul to Bitcoin mining, aims to make these questions moot. In the latest release of the open-source version of the Stratum v2, SV2, protocol, Stratum Reference Implementation, SRI, developers announced that they have completed job negotiation, an important feature for the wider Bitcoin industry because it gives mining pools less power over transaction selection. Mining is a key component that makes Bitcoin tick. Miners around the world reap Bitcoin rewards in exchange for the computing power they use to secure the network. But even if anyone with the correct hardware is free to mine, miners will probably lose money if they go it alone. Miners generally sign up with what are known as mining pools to combine their resources and increase their chances of nabbing Bitcoin rewards. Since 2018, Bitcoin developers have been working on SV2, which connects miners with mining pools in a more seamless fashion, making mining more efficient and secure. But job negotiation, which clicked into place with the most recent upgrade, is the most important part of it. Stratum v1, which SV2 is replacing, has its issues. In pooled mining, the entire network is prone to censorship, since mining pools are a single point of failure. A trusted third-party, pseudonymous Bitcoin program manager Pavlonex, who's been working with the SRI team, explained to Decrypt. Regulators could force certain mining pools to not include certain transactions in a block, for example. This upgrade could stop that, at least once it's finally adopted by mining pools. Censorship resistance? Bitcoin's raison d'etre is to be a money that no one company or king can control. But centralization has a relentless tendency to sneak into the picture. Many Bitcoiners worry about mining pools as a centralizing force. As this chart shows, just 2 mining pools make up roughly 60% of the network. When mining pools use the Stratum v1 protocol, whoever controls the mining pool has the power to stop certain transactions. Governments could use mining pools as a choke point to stop transactions they dislike, for example. This isn't an imaginative fear. Mining pools have been known to censor transactions over the years, even advertising this fact to make regulators happy. But with SRI's most recent upgrade, the task of transaction selection is given to individual miners instead, making mining pools less of a target. What that means is, instead of simply going straight to Foundry USA and telling them to block certain transactions, a government, or other censoring entity, would need to individually go to all of the hundreds of miners that compose Foundry to make such a request. For the entire network, the ability for miners to select transactions means that power goes back from a handful of powerful entities back to thousands of individual miners, Pavlonex said. A big responsibility. But, to be clear, SV2 hasn't been adopted by mining pools just yet. SRI is still under development. Pavlonex noted that they're seeking early adopters to test the software as it stands today. We'd like to invite miners, pools, and firmware makers to help us test out our latest update, provide feedback, and directly influence the direction of our development, he said. Pavlonex thinks mining pools will be eager to adopt the new SV2 protocol, not only for the efficiency gains, but because many of them don't want the responsibility of blocking transactions. Pools are likely to adopt SV2 because they don't really want to be a central point of failure either. It's a big responsibility, and our latest update helps them get rid of that pressure and risk, he said. Price prediction. Bitcoin price today is $28,248 with a 24-hour trading volume of $40.81 billion, market cap of $546.49 billion, and market dominance of 45.94%. The BTC price decreased -3.12% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from April 21, 2023 at 1:42, the general Bitcoin price prediction sentiment is bearish, with 13 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 16 signaling bearish signals. BTC price prediction was last updated on April 21, 2023 at 2:03. Bitcoin key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $29,294, Bitcoin has support levels of $28,200, $27,594, and the strongest at $26,499. Similarly, Bitcoin resistance levels are at $29,900, $30,994, and $31,600. Bitcoin reached its highest price on November 10, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $68,770, while Bitcoin's lowest price was recorded on July 17, 2010 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.050000. The lowest price since its ADH was $15,599, cycle low. The highest BTC price since the last cycle low was $30,956, cycle high. The Bitcoin price prediction sentiment is currently bearish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 52, neutral. Bitcoin's current circulating supply is 19.35 MBTC out of max supply of 21.00 MBTC. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 1.73%, meaning 329,713 BTC were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Bitcoin is currently ranked number 1 in the proof-of-work coin sector and ranked number 1 in the Layer 1 sector. Bitcoin is currently trading above the 200-day Simple Moving Average (SMA). The 200-day SMA has been signaling buy for the last 97 days, since January 13, 2023. The price of Bitcoin is currently above the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling buy for the last 38 days, since March 13, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 461 days ago, on January 14, 2022. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on February 6, 2023, which was 73 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Bitcoin's 200-day SMA will rise in the next month and will hit $22,594 by May 20, 2023. Bitcoin's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $28,747 by May 20, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 50.82, which indicates that the BTC market is in a neutral position. According to our current Bitcoin price prediction, the value of Bitcoin is predicted to drop by -0.56% and reach $28,079 by April 25, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bearish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 52, neutral. Bitcoin recorded 57% green days with 3.55% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Bitcoin forecast, it's now a bad time to buy Bitcoin. Comparing Bitcoin against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Bitcoin price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Bitcoin price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, BTC price prediction for year 2026 is $564,973 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Bitcoin would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $64,811. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic Events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic Events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, Feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and we'll do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.